My friend David and I are on a little tour from Nashville, kind of chasing our way across the train tracks. We took 4 trains today in 4.5 hours to get here, and we're so very excited. We didn't take 4 trains because we were very far away. We took 4 trains because 2 trains were canceled. So this song is called Coming Down Hard, and one of the themes of this tour from Nashville to London to Paris to, where was that?
We're in Amsterdam.
Yeah, no, but where were we yesterday? No. we were in Belgium yesterday.
Oh, yeah.
But every place has been raining, which makes us feel right at home because we're also both from Seattle. So my songs tonight are about the rain. It's a warm night, last of September on the south side. Well, hang me up to dry, 'cause it's coming down hard. If I told you I don't even miss you, I don't even think of you more than a dozen times a night. Would you dream me a river, throw me a line, write me a letter? I'm running out of time. I could have done better, but I guess I'm doing fine. It reminds me the last time I heard your voice out on the west coast. Now it's a warm night, last of September on the south side. Well, hang me up to dry, 'cause it's coming down hard. Sing me a river, throw me a line, write me a letter. I'm running out of time. I could have done better, but I guess I'm doing fine. It's a cold night, end of October on the south side. Oh baby, hang me up tonight, 'cause I'm still coming down hard. So this next song is called We Always Hold the Sun, and there's this guitar line in there that my guitarist usually plays with me, and he's not here right now. This is him right here. And it's da 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 da. So if you feel a desire to ba da 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 da, so totally can ba da da with me. He left with November, cold branches against the blue. Remind me of you. The sun is setting out west. Your sky is different than mine. It's dark all the time, and I wish I could tell you things will get easier. I wish I could give you back the sun, and I wish I could tell you things will get brighter. I wish I could bring you back the sun. the winter, my song on a wing cannot bring me to you. The moon is rising and my sky here in Tennessee is breaking with yours, and I wish I could tell you things will get easier. I wish I could give you back the sun, and I wish I could tell you things will get brighter. I wish I could bring you back the sun. Tell you things will get easier. I wish I could give you back the sun, and I wish I could tell you things will get brighter, and I wish I could bring you back your sun. And it's cold, I know, but remember. And it's cold, I know, but remember. And I know it's cold, but remember. Remember, we always hold the sun. What is this hold you have on me? Why can't I let go when I'm breaking? What is my name? Where is my heart? You're called desire, and I swallowed you hard. So don't tell me to be good, and don't say you're sorry. Anymore. If I can forgive me, what is this hold you have on me? Why can't I let go? I let in the rain, and now I am flooding. I guess my old story has come back to haunt me. So don't tell me to be good, sorry. I don't know who I am anymore. If I can forgive me, cold days. The sky is bruised, and I smell like firelight, lightning with no thunder. So don't tell me to be good, and don't tell me you're sorry, and don't tell me I am water. You're thirsty, you're thirsty. We were both so thirsty.